Health officials in Mexico say the country is at a critical stage in the swine flu epidemic. Government officials struggling to cope with the outbreak have launched a massive public health campaign to get people to wear masks and wash their hands. Public events have been canceled and children are being turned away from their classrooms as schools nationwide have been shut down until May 6th. Reports Tuesday say the first case of swine flu might have been from a 4-year-old boy from Veracruz, but Mexican Secretary of Health Jose Angel Cordova says it's unclear whether the case spawned the epidemic. He maintains the first confirmed death was linked to a woman from southern Oaxaca state on April 13th.
Insisto, el primer caso que nos hizo sospechar.
I insist that the first case that made us suspect that this was a variant that wasn't just seasonal flu was the case in Oaxaca.
Swine flu has spread now to at least 7 other countries and appears to be jumping borders via airplane flights. At many international airports, checkpoints are set up to screen travelers arriving from affected areas. Many countries are urging their citizens to avoid all non-essential travel to Mexico. Debbie Sevilla just returned to the U.S. from Mexico.
There's a fear that goes through everybody. I'm monitoring any sort of respiratory symptoms.
Some 50 non-fatal cases have been confirmed in the United States. Along the U.S.-Mexican border, patrols have been increased as agents look for people with signs of sickness.
Are you bringing anything from Mexico today?
Health officials on both sides of the border are bracing for more cases as the virus continues to spread. Lori Garrett is Director of Global Health for the Council on Foreign Relations.
We don't know how good or bad this situation is because we don't actually know how many people are infected.
As Mexico braces for more flu cases, workers are not going to their jobs and the normally teeming streets of Mexico City are empty. Developments that are likely to take its toll on the nation's economy already struggling to cope with the global financial crisis. Chris Simpkins, VOA News.